What more have to do to get a 10?
A different outfit.
Oh yeah, for true. For true.
Fuck this camera.
Where the jungle dunga bunga dunga one? Blaze done. I'm at the place, you know. I'm here the best comedy.
And so yo, Wagwan people, it's a boy Blaze and I'm here with Javon and you see me, Roger coming in the back of the camera, you see me, you go subscribe to the channel, the link down in the description. I want to make sure you subscribe to that channel, yeah,
man, like,
and click the
subscribe.
bell,
Click the
you see me?
notification bell to be notified.
You
and
dig?
people, them girls are spicy out there.
You dig? Rate
Spicy.
me from 1 to 10.
They come like a girl come from Mexico or something.
Hey.
Capisa capa aso.
Perfect.
Do that too.
Yeah.
No matter.
Seriously? Alright, what you know? What you know? Just you know, take more than 1 minute.
But you tell me what you say. Cheers, yo.
Alright, you ready? Alright, so we're here with
D'Andrea.
D'Andrea.
Yes.
Alright, so between the two of we, rate it from 1 to 10.
Modagi a 7.
Wait, give me a 7.
God, it just look like a 7.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Alright, give me a rating.
Alright.
But give me nobody ratings now.
Move your mask.
Oh, my mask. Alright, I'm moving mask.
I don't know. Maybe 1.8.
That the one.
If you didn't know my personality, right?
That's that. So like, what would I have to do if you get 1 10?
Yeah.
What would I have to do if you get a 10? You don't do anything like
You have to get here.
going on a relationship or well.
She hear about relationships, she talk loud. Oh my god.
Oh, waiting.
No relation.
Oh, you have a boyfriend?
No.
You're not alright, man. Missing the you know. Alright, so we here with Kim? Alright. So Kim, how much you would rate me from 1 to 10?
Yeah, 8.5.
8.5. Alright, that's the bad. So like what would I have to do if you get 1 10? Oh!
Not really, but clothes just look off. Something just off.
Oh, so as in what?
Yeah, no, boss.
Alright, would I give him a 10 because yeah, match out na the full black and something, but
Wait, the cameraman get it. Oh my
9 or
word.
something like that, but yeah, you need something, you need
Oh, yeah. But I have to tell me what me have to improve to like, you know, get the 10
clothes, yeah.
Oh, good.
You need probably to swag like them.
Oh,
The swag like that acting, but I like them.
yes, it's true. Me just love things classic, so yeah.
So, what me could I do to get that in?
You get a 10, you know, wear a shirt, man, you too bump up for your shirt.
Alright, next time, here, thanks for your time.
Alright, so we're here with
Anna.
Alright, so Anna, how much you gonna rate me from 1 to 10?
As in clothes are
Both of them looks.
probably 7.
7? Alright, so one would have to do if you get a 7? 10.
A
Sorry.
10?
Yeah.
Probably change your pants and take off the top of your head.
The do-rag.
Yeah.
Oh god. Alright, so how much you gonna rate my friend here? So?
Yo, put the video up on me top.
Wait for.
One
Wait
eight.
for.
How much you wanna rate, my friend?
Hello, hold on. Wait, boss. Hold on,
boss. You can finish. Yo.
Just see you.
Let you finish.
You got on a gunman tonight. Just see you. You ain't gonna shoot people tonight. Just see you. Go on.
1 8.
Shall we forget?
1 8.
1 8. So, we could do nothing more forget a 8. What we could do forget a 10. So.
Forget 110?
Yeah.
Put on one shirt. Because you're not all that thick. And you're here. What is for?
You know, say, I'm a look. You know, some good luck, isn't it? Anywhere I go, I'm flap my little string. Me have good luck, isn't it?
Thank God you get 8.
Say that, you understand that? Oh God. Because of string.
Excuse me, miss. Miss, can I ask you a question, right? Quick question. Alright, so we're here with
Rhea.
Rhea. Alright, how much would you rate me from 1 to 10?
8.
8? Why a 8?
You don't look too true by the scene.
Seriously, me not look too cheap, but what that mean? Where does that?
Means you can't go on.
Oh, what I mean? People say me ugly, you know, me look ugly? No ugly? Oh God, man, thank God. Some money people avoid me, you know? Oh God, man. So, what more have to do to get a 10?
Maybe shape.
Shape, seriously, me. Yeah. Alright, thanks. So, oh, you done rate my friend from 1 to 10?
You don't want to do value.
1 7.
7?
So I get such a low rating. That's what I did ugly, I never know. You know, so when I think me cute, I fool myself. That's it.
Maybe.
But thanks for your time anyways, you see.
Alright, so we're here with
nneka.
Anika?
Nneka.
Anika? Alright, Anika. How much you done rate me from 1 to 10?
Based on
Looks and...
a 7.
7? Oh, not bad. But would I still take it serious either? Yeah. So, like, what would I have to do to get a 10?
It's my personal preferences. It's my personal preference. So we don't know. I tell you, we can't tell if we change your appearance. So I don't know. But like, you're cool.
So like, me want to know what me can do to get it 10. That's it. What would I have to do?
Not sure. So we can't give you an answer because I'm not sure.
Alright. Thanks, here.
Alright, no problem.
Oh yeah, shout out the channel.
Oh, I have a YouTube channel. It's mckay, mckay. You guys should subscribe. I do like challenges and vlogs.
Alright, people, you hear that? So the link out there in the description. So make sure you go over there, go subscribe and like, you see me, and share every video. Alright, so we're here with
Shirley.
Charlene. Alright, Charlene. From 1 to 10, how much would you rate me?
8.
8? Why a 8 though?
Because you're literally cute, but you're
Alright, the best reaction from morning. Alright. So what would I have to do to get a 10?
a different outfit.
Oh yeah, for true. Got this
Excellent. Perfect.
Me tip. Yo, at least they never say me want guy man.
With me, press screens.
You see me? Yeah man, we out here. People run from me from Christina, so we have to go on the bill. You heard it? People run. Yo. Nah, lie no? Christina girl them run from me. You see, Monday bill me have to come. See there? Your name party. Your name party I want parking lot.
Sky clean.
Alright, people, you know, so we done this. You see me? Girl, I'm run from because we too ugly. You see me? Especially him. Yo, who you think I ugly over there, so? Eh? I joke, man. So, yo, now make sure you drop a like, share, and subscribe. You see me? You know, you think go Javana in the back of the camera. You see me? Now make sure you go over to him channel and subscribe. You see me? I just say thing there. You see me? And ladies, if you don't feel free, just drop on the number in the description. I mean, yeah, you see me? Not description, comments. I mean, get you dig. Take a one trip to the shop. What? Never know, say me on a rice. So me got a road for a rice. We just get a link with the rice. I we just trust the rice. Run on one boat now, come me too hungry.